Hello! Today I'm going to discuss a really important topic nowadays, which is climate change. Climate change is one really important thing that many news, articles, and TV shows are made about. There are many people defending nature and giving up their education or jobs to protest for nature. There are many causes of climate change. One of them is the burning of fossil fuels, which releases greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. One really important greenhouse gas is CO2, which is a short form of carbon dioxide. Greenhouse gases are obtained when fossil fuels are burnt by power stations, factories, airplanes, and cars mainly. Another big cause might be pollution. Pollution mostly happens, again, because of greenhouse gases. Everything bad happens because of greenhouse gases. These gases also trap the sun's heat, and this causes the temperatures to rise. And because the temperatures are rising, many ice caps, scientists believe that the ice caps will melt, therefore sea levels will rise, and many islands and cities that are surrounded by water will disappear. A really good example of one of these cities is Venice. Another big cause of climate change is deforestation. Greta Thunberg tells us that tropical forests are being cut down at the rate of 30 football pitches a minute, and that is a lot. The trees are being cut down because of the land, farms, money, and furniture. Yeah, everything spends around money, apparently. And many people are also funding for global fossil fuel subsidies, and that will eventually, again, result in greenhouse gases being released, and that process just goes on and on. Some solutions are being talked about, one of them being planting trees, because trees are compared to a magic machine that sucks carbon out of the air and costs very little, and more importantly, builds itself, meaning that it requires really little work, which means that it is a really easy to use tool to repair our broken climate. Second of all, we need to protect, restore, and fund. Protect meaning that we need to stop deforestation and protect our nature. Restore meaning that although much of our planet has been damaged, nature can regenerate. So with a little bit of our help, ecosystems will be able to bounce back. And fund, we need to pay for things that help nature instead of paying for things that destroy it. Another solution that is spoken about is to stop burning fossil fuels and leave them in the ground. Because, as I said earlier, fossil fuels are the main cause of climate change. So, although we are destroying nature really fast, there are still many solutions for this global crisis to stop. But that, of course, depends on how much we pay attention to it. And as Greta Thunberg says, everything counts, and what we do counts the most, because humans damage the planet the most. Goodbye!